Welcome to Zero to Flutter, a no-nonsense beginner series designed to take you from absolute zero to building your first real app. Whether you have never coded before or you are just switching technologies, this series will guide you step by step without the fluff. By the end of this video, we will build a real functioning app. So, what Flutter is? Flutter is the Google's UI framework that lets you build apps for Android, iOS, web, and even desktop, all using one codebase that's flexible and extremely beginner friendly thanks to hot reload, which lets you see changes instantly. If you are starting in 2026, Flutter is still one of the best ways to build apps quickly. So, why Flutter in 2026? In 2026, Flutter continues to be stable, mature, and widely supported system. It allows faster development than native, gives you full control over UI, and demand for cross-platform app keeps growing. So, if you are learning today, you are learning a skill that actually relevant. So, why this course is different? You will find a lot of course in YouTube for the Flutter, but this course is different. This course is different because we don't waste your time. No complicated OOP, no unnecessary concept, and no outdated tutorials. We focus on practical real-world explanation. You will learn only what you truly need to build apps. So, who this is for? This series is for complete beginners, students, self-taught developer, people changing career, or anyone who want to quickly build their first Flutter app. If you have ever opened a tutorial and felt overwhelmed, this is the course you should have had from the start. What you will learn? You will learn how Flutter's UI and widget work, the basics of Dart language, how navigation works, how to call API using DO, how to manage state using GetX. All of this comes together when you build a complete mini app. Course structure. The course is structured day by day so you never feel lost. Day 1 is setup. Day 2 focuses on UI basics. Then we move to navigation, API calls with DO, state management with GetX, building the project, and finally polishing everything. It's clear, simple, and easy to follow. Our mini project overview. The mini project you will build is a clean, modern Flutter app that fetches live data using DO, displays it in a list, and update UI reactively with GetX, and handles loading and error state properly. You will also implement simple navigation flows. This will give you real practical Flutter experience. By the end of this series, you will have built a complete Flutter app from scratch. You will understand the development workflow, UI structure, API calls, GetX, and everything needed to begin your Flutter journey confidently, even you started with zero experience. So let's get started. This is Zero to Flutter, your step-by-step guide to building app in the modern way. Let's begin. Thanks for watching this introduction to Zero to Flutter series. In the next video, we will jump straight into hands-on setup and start building your very first Flutter project. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any lessons, and if you found this helpful, share it with someone who wants to learn Flutter in 2026. I'll see you in the next one.